Mama mau mau, mama umau mau, mama uma mau mau, mama umau mau. Won't you? Do you want to know about the bird? So we are season 2, episode 10. Look at me. I'm doing okay. We're in February though, and there should be a lot more episodes than 10, but hey, it's what it is. Yeah, I should bring this up. I should do... I need to do some cool thumbnails. We should look at some cool stuff. I have to make a couple more characters. We have a few more characters. I actually have to pull up some extra data because we have some lovely extra work done by our lovely friend Meow Edge, because I'm going to keep calling him that. Where did he send it? Where'd you send it? Oh, okay, you sent it here. Okay, zippity zip, zippity doo dah, zippity day. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine, plenty of rain. Zippity doo dah, zippity day. Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. I know I'm singing a bunch of random stuff, but it is what it is. C, V, boop, boop, boop. Look at that. We got more things. More things, always things, doing thingy things. Let's check our downloads. Download. Yeah, so we need these files. We'll need these files to go... Huh, that's weird. This is dark. That shouldn't be dark. There we go. That's bizarre. How do I have a view? Oh, I know why. I know why. It's like I'm cheating. Good morning, sir. Do you smell the smell? Is the smell still there? Or is it just a lot of banging right now? Yes, I need to put these somewhere. Yes, but it's not so bad. Okay, that's good. Okay. And Home Slice is there making noises. I think I could just grab... Did I do this? Sprites? Did I make I made a folder for it. Yeah, okay. I'll just grab this folder. Oh, I have to extract everything. Extract all. Yeah, I'll just extract the desktop. And then we'll grab this one and we'll put it here. Where did I go? Where did it go? Brute. Slime brute. This one. This one. Cool. So we got the slime, we got the A-Sprite thing. And we have the other ones. Okay. Let's grab you. None. Only textures with height being multiplied by 4 can be compressed. Okay, are you gonna get upset that I changed this? No, whatever, fine. What's my length? Yeah, it's fine. Should be max size. Whatever, we can bump this just a bit. No, we'll leave it there. 9-point filter, apply this. I think this is 64. And multiple. And we'll apply this and we'll go slice it up. Slicer. Let's slice it. Oh, it's not 64. What's the slice for the brute? What's my slice rate? Did you give me that? Did you tell me a slice rate for these guys? Well, I mean, it's 2048 by that 51 high. So one of them's going to be 51. No, it's going to be more than that. This is what? 70 something and something like that. 80. Okay, there we go. I was close. I was at 79. And we sliced. And we apply. Uh-oh, something's a little off. Why is it off? It's something here, I think. Let's just grab one of these guys and throw it in here. Okay, why are you blurry? You should not be blurry. Do I have to bump this up? There we go. Yeah, I had to bump it up. Bump up the size. Bump it up. Cool. Cool beans. Look at that guy. Look at this guy. We got the crew. We almost got the crew. I might as well build him, so we'll delete this. We'll create a... because we're going to have the crew, the homies, the prefab homies. We've got slime, bat. Oh, okay. Actually, can you throw that Discord, probably, so that I can reference it later. Ooh, this guy's like super big. Why is he so big? Why is he gargantuan? Necromancer, why are you oh, because you're like 10. So if we go 1, 1, 1, oh, now you're too small. I make you 1, 1, 1. Okay. Are you closer to their size? No, my pixels are off here. Are my pixels off? Yes. Why are my pixels not correct? This is scaled to 1. This is scaled to 1. You're on 1, and you're on 1. So my scale of you should be bigger. Can I grab like a single pixel? So something like that. That's pretty damn close. I bet you this is 1.5. 1.5. Does that fit in there? Yeah, that looks pretty close. I don't know why the scaling is weird. What size is your... Whatever, now he looks like he fits... No, because... Oh, let's do that 1 pixel there. Let's play with that 1 pixel. Okay, nope, he's pixeled roughly the same. So this is home slice. Boop, boop, boop. And then we need to finish the brute. Brutimus Maximus Slimicus. So we'll create a new game object. We will call this Slime Brute. Brute. Slime Brute. It's gonna be super upper. He's gonna be a mega. So you're working on the other thing today? Some backswings. Some backswings. Yep. Making them swing. Make it swing. Make it swing. I guess we just do that. What do they have in here? They have a unit script and that's it. Okay, so we'll add a unit script. Unitio script. We'll need an animator. This does not have an animator, which we'll have to add. Animator, which we don't have any, so we have to build them. Where are you? Focus. You're way over here, so you should be 0 tap 0 tap 0. There we go. You're over here now. Perfect. I'll just shimmy shammy you over to hang out over here. Oh man, we almost got the art. We almost got it. Look at that. Look at that recreation of the poster. I'll put this up here, and then we'd also need prefab Enemy Skeletano. He needs to be scaled correctly. Kitty cat. Wow, all the scales are so screwed up. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go back. You can be 1. 1. Okay. And then the inside of you. Yeah, this is because this shouldn't be 10. That should be 1. That's too small, so we'll go 0.5, which that looks like it's pixel. We've pixeled correctly. No, you actually have to be a bit smaller because you need to fit in that pixel box. It's close. It's close for now. It's fine. Yeah, that, and then skeleton. Skeleton, supposed to be the right size. Skeleton is not right. He needs another few. I'm assuming he's 1.5. That is what I'll do. Skeleton. Look at that. Is he a lot smaller compared to like the image? Okay, yeah, these two are about the same size. The skeleton's a bit smaller. Okay, that's fair. That's good. That's good. It's perfect. Mr. Battlehouse. Hello. How are you today? I'm just doing a little, trying to make a replica of the like stuff. Trying to make a little. Bring you over here. Glad to see you back again. Thank you. Yeah, trying to get it smashing and going. Had some interesting, crazy stuff, but also, well, these cool things may look familiar because these are the some stuff that got made recently. Mr. Meowedged is back. Was helping me. I put him to work in the mines of the freezing basements of my home. Something like this. So now, in theory, actually I guess the Brute's the only one who won't animate, but in theory, if I click go, this should work. Except for the Brute. The big guy's not going to move. And we go here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got the homies. Fantastic. I know the Brute's not moving, but still, we've got a party right here. Look at that. Jiggly. Nice. Okay, and then does that look familiar? Does that look like this? Sort of. I need like an army of them. I need to put an army of them in the background. I guess we had a 2-headed slime at one point. Oh, and then we have the... Oh! I forgot about the blue slime. The blue guy with the 3 skulls. The triple slime. But I think he's got like exposed bones. Oh, you know what? The triple slime should be like... He just has like a sharp bone out of one hand, and his attack is just like a stab. Or maybe he would have two attacks. He'd have like a stab, which is like your piercing attack, and then maybe something like a different thing. But yeah, like we're missing just those guys. I completely forgot about them, but still. A triple attack. I mean, he could do something like the slime, because if I grab the slime, where's the slime? You, and I grab the animator, and I like click this. Bleh! Bleh! He's gonna do that. Imagine we took this guy and we like stuck him on here, and this guy just did something like bleh. His head just like bonked out. That's crazy how well that fits on his head, though. Like, he could just have a this is a modified version. Okay, he's on a different layer. Look at that! Like, look at how nicely if I get the pixels like in the right spot, it looks good. Because like you wouldn't see it from like, yeah, this is about the size you would see in the UI, right? And he looks like, I mean, he's not moving, but his head is. Make him lose a head as HP lowers, but he can grab small slimes and slap them on top, and new head and heal. I mean, that's not a bad idea. Having the big slime have some sort of ability that just consumes one of the other slimes to like regenerate, to heal up health. That's not actually a bad idea. Because the scaling is like, oh, you do? I mean, this I haven't up swapped the slime files. I only just brought the brute in, and then I think even the bats miss. You can see maybe there's 1 pixel. Yeah, there's 1 pixel. So I have to use the. I haven't updated all the stuff you sent me in the zip. Oh, you think it's flying too fast? I can slow that down. That's not hard. Bat. Animation. I can adjust it here. I can't remember if I set this to 1. Enter. Nope, not what I wanted. This is 0. This is sample. Sample, maybe it's 13. Play. I can go slower. I can sample like 16. No, 16 is faster, so 10. Oopsies. Sample rate at 10. That's a bit slower. Yeah, it's interesting. Sample rate is something that's built into Unity, built into the animator, but you actually have to you have to toggle it to be an option in your animator, which I didn't know. So for the longest time, I'd actually like adjust frames here instead of just being able to pull sample size, which is funny. I figured that out. Like I saw someone else do it, and I was like, wait a second, where's this like sample rate thing? Because this I can bring down to like 5, and now it's like doo, 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 doo. The cool thing about that is you can this value, I believe, can be changed in code. So like if you wanted to like, I don't know, say that a guy's like jacked on something, you can have them like speed up. All the frame durations are 10 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds. I don't know what you're referring to. Because you can either adjust it here with this thing, where you change where, like, how long you want the whole animation to be. And then you can also change sample rate, which is like how fast it wants to pick these. Oh no, I think this is a multiplier onto this. I can't remember. There was a thing about that. But this is dope. Super cool. I have the homies. I have the homies. I'm a cool little homies. I know, I think my Necromancer does seem like he's moving a bit faster than I want him to be. Yeah, I think the sample rate should be 10. Sample rate 10 is... Maybe sample rate 10 is a little weird. I don't know. I don't know if I like say 10 or 12, but whatever. Cool. I just wanted to have those homies. I wanted to have homies looking at me. I have to still finish the brute. Brute has no animations. I'm gonna have to create some animations for him. Brute. And ooh, you did send that to me though. Ooh, shoot! I should. Mr. House. Did you get an ad when you started watching? Because if you did, I have to do something to make it so people don't get ads when they start. Actually, same with you. Meow. Yeah, 2 ads? Okay, yeah. I'm going to have to do a thing to... I don't want ads. I don't know. Sometimes people don't want their names being used. You know, I try to... Anonymity. So, yeah. So, unfortunately, Josh... Oh, you didn't go, did you? No, you didn't. You ended up staying home. But I'm gonna run 2 ads, which will Anomalacurious. I don't know what that is. Is that a word? Is that actually a word? That is a type of animal. It is some sort of crustacean-like animal. But yeah, I'm gonna run it. Can I adjust it here? I don't think I can adjust it when I'm streaming. How many minutes of video ad do you want to run per hour? That. This one? Whatever, we'll do that one, I guess. That's how it's gonna be. We'll go back to here. Okay, we're gonna fire this thing real quick. So it should be 1 minute of time. But yeah, I didn't go to Kill Team Shenanigans. Looking forward to next time. Yeah, a bunch of stuff happened, and we had like a really convoluted birthday to go to that involved going to the museum with all the kids. And then it's like the children's museum, so there's like bajillion kids everywhere. We lost one. Oh yeah, no, we didn't lose any kids, which is great. And then we had to go to a restaurant after for the actual birthday thing. So it was for Anna's friend's birthday. And whatever, that was like a bunch of people. And then we lost Evie. Evie went missing. And it was like when we were getting ready to leave. And so I'm like running around the restaurant trying to find her. Then I eventually had to get like servers to help. And then luckily they had a mezzanine that I was able to just go up to the mezzanine and look down and like spot her. And she was just in an empty booth, like playing with sugars and salt, like stuff that's on the table. Yeah, that was not a fun. That was a long day. That was a really long day. And that was what I did for Saturday. So that was what I was doing Saturday. But I'm going to run a thing to get rid of pre-ads. So I got to send an ad to make pre-ads. Gonna make you guys give me some pennies. Give me the pennies. Ooh. I should also put this. I should put this also. Where's my emote? Yeah, okay. What I should do here is I need to do the frames. What did he say the frames were? While people are out doing that stuff. 0 to 11. 9, 10, 11. Shift. So this is what? Idle? No, this is attack. Slime. Brute. Attack. Slime, brute, attack. Yep, that one. Let's run it. No, that's not attack. That's idle. I have to rewrite that. That is not that. This is actually going to be called Slime Boot. Nope, this one. Actually idle. Yeah, so that's the idle. Cool. Cool beans. I guess that should be 1 minute. People should be back. Oh no. Oh no, did you say good morning to the other person first? It's gonna be my running joke forever now with you guys. Yeah, we're back. Oh, did he pull did he pull OT last night? Yeah, okay, then yeah, no, it's better. Better he sleep. It's tough, especially like running. I don't know how he does it. Like doing work after the sun goes down, like really mess. And like some morning he's up before I am. Well, maybe not up before I am, but like streaming before I am. And it's like, yeah, no. I used to do like night work and doing like 10-hour shifts at night, and that really, like, I did like a week of that, and it took me three days roughly to like go back to like being able to sleep normally. It was rough. Yeah, so I don't need. So this is the idle. Good. Okay, we don't need this data. This sheet now. We can delete. Next set of things. Need to go here. Need to go here. It's 12 to 20. So what is this one? This one is 8, 11. So that'd be here's 12, and 20 is here. Yep. Shift. Click. A giga fight. Slime. Brute. Yeah, it wasn't me. It was Meow-Edge. I keep calling him Meow-Edge, and he keeps saying that's not how I say it, but I'm gonna keep saying it. But Meow-Edge did these. He made this the mini slime, the slime brute, and the bat based off of his own artwork that he did for the splash. What was I doing? Attack. Yes. Attack animation. Let's run a test. I am slamming you into the ground. Cool. That's great. Look at those pectoral muscles. Okay. And then the next one is the death is 21 to, so it's pretty much the last bit of it. That's actually a pretty long animation. But you were doing so much for this animation. You made it way too poppin'. Way too nice. Mister, he like overcompensated it, making it so cool. It's gonna be even crazier, and then I was like, dude, you gotta like stop. Yeah, but it's fine. You know what? I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be one of the harder things to defeat. So it having a much longer, it's like a more satisfying death. Oh, look at that! Blah 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 blah. Look at this guy just blah blah blah. Yes. Oh, so good. So spicy. Mwah, so spicy. Yep. Fantastic. Cool beans. We're gonna have some. Yeah, all of them do. All the slimes and all the things that he made have head drops. And if you look very carefully, they all have angry eyes. But then when they like die. So if I grab this guy, when they die, they have a sad face, which is a cute little nod to just something that we were talking about. Actually, I can even see they have a sad face. The last frame, they have sad eyes. And then we go to the bat. And same thing, the bat will have sad eyes. It falls. Oh, I guess. I just realized that I have to. The bat will end like here, so technically that should be where the bat starts. And we can move the Skellyman over. But yeah, the bat's gonna have. I hate animating pixel art. I don't know how you have the patience. Yeah, he had the patience, and he had the gumption, and the cursing, and the cans of beers. Oh wait, what did I want this. I want the death animation. And you can see, look, another sad skull. I love it. So cool. Fandango. Okay, I gotta finish complicated stuff. So this. I need to create an anim. This one is. Which one's this one? What did I call this one? Controller. So these controllers don't need to exist. This controller doesn't need to exist. I'm going to open this one. I'm going to bring you over here. We're going to zoom in a little bit. We're going to have this. We're going to need you to close. And we need to add, what is this one? This one is the attack. So, oh no, we already have the attack. Idle has to be our death is going to be here. Idle's going to be here. This is actually going to go transition to here instead. This one can be Wait, how do I do this? I have to make this the main transition. What did I do wrong? Okay, there we go. That's the one I want. Okay. Death animation is from any state, and attack animation is from over. Oh, that's idle as well. Attack animation. So death. So we have entry, attack, transition here, transition back, transition. Oops. Transition back. Any state can die. I animated damn bird and was done. Just doing the damn idle animation makes them character walk and move too much work. Your work looks really, really good though. Wow. This guy could teach a class. He should make one of those free online courses and like teach people. Yeah. No. That's what I always tell people. I'm like, art is a skill. Like you don't get good at art. Like there's people who have innate skill, like they just have a way with doing things, but it's like you have to work at it so much to like get to a point where it's like, oh, you can make it look easy. And yeah. Nick, you're one of those people. Also Mr. Smiles. Him like the amount of character stuff he pumps out is pretty crazy to me. And just like, it's like the little things too. It's like the little figuring out like, oh, well, I'm going to make like this pixel's darker, or I'm going to make like this line here to actually separate. Yeah, like just even, I don't know. And that's what we were talking about this. Me and Meow Edge, we were talking about how pixel art is going to be one of those things that AI is not going to be able to replicate for a while. So being able to do pixel art and make pixel art like assets and stuff. Actually, ooh, I should check. I want to check now. He did put out that asset, didn't he? Mr. Ethereal Smiles did do an asset pack. I want to see if there's any comments to it. Itch.io. He put it out like back after we did the game jam. I should be following him. How do I do follows? Library? No, I have to. There's a thing to do follows. How do I do this? Okay, I can just go to my game jam, and I can go to my things, and I can go to this one, and I can go to. Oh no, I'm doing it all wrong here. All wrong. Yeah, that's gonna be like really. Well, even I've tried some AI generated pixel art, and I think anything above or anything below 64 by 64, it can't do very well. It literally it's like the same thing. My library, that's what I want to do. No, that's not what I want to do. Where is it? That? No. Go here. Go booby game. Go this guy. Shoop. Go back. Go like this. Oh, I'm only comment. But look at that. Look at that. Put some sauce on there. Look, you got a broom, you got a flower, you got a bucket. There's actually a few different things. Look at this. And he did a nice page. He wrote a bunch of extra stuff. He even put a disclaimer. Yeah, this is from the game jam. And I'm like, come see it. My game doesn't work properly. But yeah, just a little game jam art assets. Just slap it in the store. Gardening tools. I wonder if it's prefaced with other things. So let's say if I go and I put gardening, does this stuff come up? I see some random stuff there. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. And he even hid the pumpkins. I love it. There we go. So yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Throw those out. See, there's not. I remember I was looking for gardening tools and they weren't easy to find. But these aren't really gardening tools. These are like. Those are not. You don't use a pickaxe to garden or a scythe to garden. Silly nonsense. Whatever. Okay. So now we gotta add some triggers. Trigger. Attack. Trigger. Death. And then this is just gonna use. Oopsies. This one. Can I do this? Inspect. Add. This is death. Gotta go. I'll be lurking. Peace. Have a good morning. Thank you for popping by. I appreciate it. I can get my extra penny from you. Pennies for days. Oh, you guys want to see? I want to show everybody because I'm so cool. Where is it? Is it here? No. I don't know where it is. I lost it. I lost where it is. It doesn't show me anywhere again. Am I crazy? Yeah, I don't know where it is anymore. This? New. I guess I can't see it right now. No, I can't. Okay, that's fine. That's interesting that every time I do that, it like pops me in and out of the chat room. I didn't know that. But, yep. Okay, so that death is connected. Go back to the animator, and we have this one. Should be a taco off and 0. I may change that, but whatever, it's fine for now. Okay, that's good. Now there's something, I know there's something I'm missing here. Ahaha, here it is. That's correct. This has to be removed. I really wish that they didn't have like so many different places to change things, but yeah, that's just the looping. It doesn't loop there. It doesn't loop the death animation, so when it dies, it just does it once. And then I believe you have to take this. I'll probably have to give this an ID number, a hero number. Its name is Slime Brute. I don't think it's going to have any variant names, unless there's other names for slime. Goo-boo? Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll have Goo-boo. Boo-goo. No, Big Boo? Big Goo? What's his power level? I should... Whatever, we'll put it 5 for now. Unit levels 0, 0. This will be technically a brute class, or slime. Brute. Yeah, slime brute, because they're all going to have their slime classes. I do have to put some values here, so we'll put like 10. And the attack is whatever. Slam. Dexterity is going to be low. Strength is going to be high. Toughness is going to be very high. Mana is going to be whatever low. Crit chance low. Speed doesn't really affect this, but I'll put it at 1. Max HP is going to be like 50. Current HP will get set by itself. Max mana will get calculated its own. All the other stuff should be fine. Okay, I think that's all the things. He's not going to have traits just yet. No passives. Ooh, I should give him a passive, though. Yeah, he should have a passive. He should have the regeneration passive. Or not. I either... Okay, maybe I'll make this one regen for now, is like the concept. And then this one is slime Slime eater. I'll have to code something for that, but that's just an idea for the future. Because when I make this a prefab, I need to... Oops, why is this weird? This I want to be 0, 0, 0. So when I make it into something, it doesn't move too much. I think that's all the stuff. I may need to put an ID number. Okay, no. The ID number is not used for them. Oh, yes, you need to be adjusted. Okay, cool. Slime Brute. Go to my prefabs, prefabs. Be there for me, my prefabs. There is he, my Broody. Got the team, it's all right here. Super cool and not real clear. Okay, so we delete you. Delete. I do have to go in and do some adjustments in different places. Oh, he's classed as an animal. Class as a slime brute. You're classed as a skeleton. Oh, wait. Your class is undead. Because the classes also have some hidden things. Undead. Slime. So your class is actually slime. It doesn't... You're just a slime brute. Yeah, so you're just going to have slime as your thing. Slime. I think a wyvern... Is a wyvern considered like a dragon? Necromancer. Undead. There we go. I'm going to have to... can I adjust that? Maybe I'll adjust it. Maybe give myself like... I don't know how to do this. I want to do that. I want to make this more... Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. So I have enough time to like make a tea and come back and then make... Yeah, so that's what I'll do. Because I'm going to have to go make a tea soon because I'm really cold. Today was... Did you go out, homie, to walk this morning or no? Because we dropped off the kids and it was super cold today. Super duper cold. Nope, yeah. It was deceiving. It didn't look that way. And then I had a frozen sphincter. It was not very nice out. I hope it warms up. I don't know if it's gonna warm up today. Yeah, what are we looking at weather-wise? We're looking at a balmy feels like minus 13. Oh no, it's minus 13, feels like minus 23. And we're expecting snow for most of the day. Okie dokie. Yeah, it's just maybe it's just very... Yeah, I hope it gets warmer, but like maybe it's the humidity, maybe it's like high humidity, and that's why we'd be getting snow because of the humidity, but that's probably why it passed through all my clothing. Hello. How are you? You haven't been here in a while. Guess what? I made affiliate, and now I have little bonums and things. Look what I can do. I can do this. Bam. I can use emotes. My new emote, the soul bead. Yeah, I have soul beads, and you get channel points, and I do have to add more things. Yeah, and then the dad one is because I'm a dad, so I'll make dad talk stuff. Oh! I do have to... My thing is telling me I must run a ad, which is fine. But I'm going to go quickly and make myself a tea. This ad should only be... I don't know how long. Oh no, it just says 1 minute break ad. So it should only be 1 minute. I could be fast enough to set my tea up and come back. So let's see if I can do this. Ready, set, go! do it. I didn't click it. Okay. Oh. Huh. To go join your stream to talk about other streamers, but you know what happened to Theo Smiles. Bit and Mommy is scared. I made it back in time. Yeah. So, I mean, he's doing a lot of overtime. And because he works overtime, he works late. And because he works late, he doesn't get very much sleep. So, unfortunately, that's just kind of how it rolls sometimes. But yeah, no, he's doing good. I talked to him the other day. Like I said, he's just... He's putting a lot of overtime hours, like at late hours, so like probably into the wee hours of the morning. So when he gets home, you know, maybe some of us are actually getting up. So yeah, no, he's fine. Yeah, he popped in yesterday before he went to work. He popped into my chat to just check in and stuff. But yeah, no, he's good. He wants to do more, like he wants to get back to a regular streaming schedule, but the overtime that he's getting, I think, is a little more tempting, right? Because like you don't make money streaming. Like even me, I run some ads, I make 3 cents. More because I don't get to do this. Is like I'm so excited about being an affiliate. But yeah, you know, you don't make money streaming, and so for him, crunching those overtime hours, like. Getting like time and I don't know. I don't know what he gets for overtime. Normally, I would assume it's time and a half. But yeah, like if you put in 4 hours at time and a half, it's like a day's work right there, right? Like almost an extra day of pay. So I can see why he'd be doing it to make life a little bit easier. And with all the crazy stuff happening lately, you know, you probably want to keep some extra coinage in the purse, in the bank, and wherever you keep your money. So yeah. It is cold. Okay, so back to what I was doing. I think I should just quickly check all the animations if they work. Brute. Ooh, that's harsh. That's not very nice to say things like that. Oh, what's going on? Why is it not animating? Oh, do I have to run it? I have to run it. And then I can play with the animations. I thought it would auto run my animations. Yo, what is going on here? This should run. Hey, no worry. You're welcome to show up and go as you please. I have no no qualms about it. Why is this not working? It should be triggering. Why is my triggering animations not working? Something's broken. I didn't connect something. I didn't connect something. What didn't I connect? Oh, I know why. I know why it's not working. I did it wrong. I should be able to just do this, then run here. I think I know what I did wrong. I think because I was looking at the prefab. No, this is still wrong. Something is not connected properly. There we go. Found it. Animated controller. Boom, bang. Boom, bang. Boom, bang. Go here. Hit the prefab. This thing. The controller's not connected. That would be why. Is this the controller? Yeah, that's the controller. So you need this slapped in here. Now if I run it, this should be doing its idle and should be shaking that jiggle jiggle. What? Oh, oopsies, he's dead. That's not what I want. Can I? Okay, he's jiggle jiggle. Boom. Did I pick? I picked trigger, so trigger should turn off after. Boom. Then death animation. Blech. Okay. I'm pretty sure I use... Yeah, okay. Should be able to see that, actually. If I were to go here, here, run this, and go here. No. Something, I'm doing something wrong where I'm not seeing what I should be seeing. Okay, go here. This is here. We turn these off. We run it. I should see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's running. Okay, it's running properly. I was so worried I had screwed something up. Yeah, so this is running nicely. I click the trigger. It goes up to this. It runs the attack. It goes back. Perfect. I run death. It does not run anything else. Perfect. Cool banana splits. Banana split. We think your team's full of shift it to the left, shift it to the right, shift it down the middle, and take a bite. Oh my goodness. Why would you sing a song like that? I have a lot of upbeat energy today. Okay, so the new homies are in. That's good. My hourglass is done. I'm going to go grab my tea. So, yeah, I'm going to make it fast and furious. In a 3, a 2, a 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. There we go. Wait, is that a... Okay, you do that poopy run. Is that a... Oh, it does. Okay, yeah, it does. It's only in the stream I see it. I don't see it in my chat. I have to do that thing Steve was telling me about. Because it shows in my chat, like, person. But it doesn't in my like detached chat that I used to actually read, I just see poopy. Or pee poo run. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's so many like little things. But yeah, whatever. That's other stuff for another time, another day. So, okay, so we don't need to worry about this stuff now. Brute is operational, slime is operational, bat is operational. Why is there two things in that one? Why do I have another sheet in here? Uh-oh. Let's just delete this one. Yeah, bat sheet, slime brute sheet. I guess I also have the sprite file in here. Okay, that's good. Oh, actually, you know what? Maybe I'll just do the other changes while I'm here. So open up the bat. We'll grab these two. Just to guarantee, because you said that there was something wrong with my bat animation. Skull bat. And I'll put these in here. Oops. Crap. I didn't want to do that like that. Can I undo? Control Z? Nope. Okay, I gotta delete this one, and I have to... Yes, I want to delete that one, and I want to replace it at source. Yeah, no, I that's what I'm using right now. I gotta View and Explorer. I gotta do the homunculation. I'm trying to do that right now. I'm trying to like replace a destination. Okay, so now this. Oops. Whatever. I'll Control C. Control V, just because I want this to keep a copy. Okay, and then brute. No, we already brute. It's the regular slime that I gotta update. Because you said you think that there's a frame missing on the slime attack. And then I have to take... It's that or it's playing too fast. Okay. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Replace the file destination. This should fix any kind of weird discrepancies there. And then we can just go to the prefabs. Oops. Not cursor, I want prefabs. Enemies. Slime. Animations. Okay. I think maybe it's just going too fast. Oh, if I open the A spread, I can see how fast it's going. I wonder if I have to do something weird with that. Look good here? Okay, I'm cool. Yeah, okay. Then it was probably yeah, now all of the ones that are in the project are the same as the zip file. So that's groovy. Groovalicious. My body's so groovalicious for you, bae. Donkey, can you hote this? Donkey, can you hote this? I don't think you can hote this. What? Okay, let's see where I was at the last configurations. Why is this guy squished? That's so weird. This is fine here. We're choice 2. Does choice 2 take an image? Choice 2 has a bunch of stat stuff. Combat image. I think it's how the attack blends into the idle. Oh, maybe. But I don't have a blend though. Like if we look in the controller, right? I should move these two together. Oh, okay. Because I was gonna say, I mean, for my things, I took out the blend, but if I need to, I can add blend. It'll do some weird pixel stuff to blend the transition between two things. Is it into the attack or out of the attack? Oh, no. Maybe you're right. Maybe it's my fault. Look, here, there's a blend from idle to attack. I think I need to take this off, actually. Let's do that there. And then go back to here and then do this back, the transition back. And we'll remove that same stuff too. We'll remove exit time. So it'll just pop right back to the transition. There we go. I think that's gonna fix it. So let's run some animations. Let's run it idle. If I go here, oh, I can't do that. It sucks that I can't play it at the same time. Okay, whatever. I have to pull this into the scene to do it. Pull you in. Focus. Play. Oopsies, I shouldn't have done that there, but whatever, it's fine. Scene. Take this off. And then right? We're at the right person here. Yeah, so slimy. And then we hit attack. Whoa, why aren't we transitioning back? The heck? This should just auto transition back. Something's broken. Transition needs at least one condition. Gonna do fixed duration? There we go. So I have to set fixed duration. Okay, that's the caveat. So I have to go here and I have to like go and fix that. But yeah, now it works, I think, right? This is what you want it to look like pretty much. So if we're in this and I hit an attack, it goes in. Why is it still janking? Maybe it was playing the full animation. Okay, something. Yeah, maybe. What is going on? Why is this transition not working properly? Okay, maybe I can't do it in here. Maybe I have to do it in the thing. Animator. Here. This is cool. This is good. Inspect. Fixed duration. Transition duration is independent of the state length. That's fine. So because these are all triggers. Oh, I know what I can try. Will this run? Yeah, I don't think it'll run like this. I have to have it in the scene. Yeah, I have to have it in the scene to do it properly. Also, maybe that's something else I might just do real quick. I might have to do that also. Some scaling stuff. So like if I bring this here and I bring you here, yeah, I gotta go and fix all the scales on everything. Or I have to take them. Yeah, no. The true fix for fixing all the scales would be to take every single thing, pull it into Sprite, and make sure that they're all in the same size parameters. Because right now I think some stuff is sliced. Like if I grab this guy, you would have to redraw the skeleton. Wouldn't I just have to change the like size of each tile? Because like let's go. Yeah, he's not the right pixel size. But the thing is, like if I go and take, is it just enemy? Skeleton? His thing, his like attack or whatever. And open it. Yeah, this would have to get... So right now it's a weird size. It's like 40... Each tile is 43 by 37, right? I would have to change this so that it's cutting at like a standard size. Can't fix it by scaling. I can fix it by scaling. I can literally play with scale numbers to do that. If you want to look the same. Yeah, like if I want it perfect, pixel perfect, I'd have to like take all these in Sprite and like make them all that when I slice them they're the same. But I can scale it to size. Like I can just grab this guy and I can go to his this thing, which is at 3 for some reason. And the scale is, I believe, 0.5 difference. So if I were to grab him now and like try to find a pixel to match, yeah, like right there, like on his belt, we'll do the yellow. Yeah, see, like there we go. Like it's like point something of a difference, but like who's gonna actually? Yeah, if I want to do it right. What I mean is his pixel density is wrong, so it would never look right. If you want to do it right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You're totally right on that. Also, like, there's like little things that are like, you know, like his this would need a little bit of a little swing to it. It's funny because when you have someone who does better art, then all your crappy art looks crappier. You know what I mean? When someone goes and does some like some specular stuff and like internal what would you call what's inside specular? What would you call something that's translucent? What do you mean the wrong size? It makes sense. Based on like this, he should be about half the size of a brute. It's just he's fat. He's fat in comparison, right? Like these arms should be thinner and these legs should be thinner. But like skull-wise, his skull is literally the same size skull. Oh yeah, I get what you're saying with further behind then. But I think it's because he looks like he's got fat arms and legs. Like if I were to go and slice all these like by 1 pixel, because like I like his head is the same, except for the only thing he's got the what's it called, the guy sensei eyebrows, while everyone else has the like. But I like that they're like compare him to the warrior. Okay, warrior. Well, this is broken. This is way too big. Why are you so big? Why are you guys at size 10? Okay, so you're not supposed to be there at that size. What size is this at? This is at 1. So then you also should be at 1.5. So then, yeah, your pixel connections are the same. So yeah, you'd be like this. Oh yeah, I guess he does look... my skeleton is very weirdly proportioned compared to the dude. Might have been a child. A big bone... No, it was a dwarf. That's why the bones are so big. It's a dwarf. They were a dwarf before, like... So now I need to make a human skeleton, which would make sense. Then they could have like thinner bones. So maybe that could be a little pixel art project for myself. Try to like take this and like make it a little bit taller, a little bit thinner. Because what are Dwarf's favorite weapon? And my axe. He's got an axe. See, should theoretically be like a pickaxe or a hammer, but. Whatevs. Damn, I got like a whole little... Oh, can I do the thing? God, he's so ginormous. And he's got like such a weird collision box. just change it to a pickaxe. I mean, I could, but I'd have to do a lot of frames. This guy's friggin' Gandalf the Ginormous. Are you supposed to be 1? No, you're supposed to be 1.5 also, which makes you quite tall. No, that seems a little too much. No, uh-oh. He's a lot bigger. Whatever, he's of the giant race. These are all hobbits. Because he's scaled the same as the necromancer. Right? No, not here. I don't want to go there. I go prefab. Enemy. Everything's still scaled up. I have to go and rescale everything properly. 1. And then this will have to be 1.5. Oopsies. This 1.5. Oh, it's doing a multiplier. Damn it. 1. 1. Then we'll do this, and we'll go here 1.5. Then we'll bring him down here. Yeah, see, he's scaled the same size. These guys are the same bigness. Everything I did is scaled to the warrior. Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fine. These are like the giant race. Giants. I mean, maybe I just use child soldiers. Right, because if I were to grab... Oopsies, was I moving the wrong thing? I was moving the wrong thing. I should be moving this thing to here, because like if we go here... And then where's my broody? Big bad broody boards. Big bad booty shorts. I do like how big he is compared to the warrior, though. I like that scale. I like that scale very much. My wizard's friggin' huge, though. But yeah, I like that. Whatever. It's just a giant wizard. I can have a giant wizard. I can contextualize anything by saying it is what it is. But I actually like, because the thing is, I feel like my wizard is like not meant to be something you get very early on, because he's actually supposed to be very strong. He's supposed to be on par with the necromancer, who's like literally a boss. Right? So, yeah. Oh, did I? Oh, I just flipped him. That's why he's facing that way. Yeah, because enemies are always facing left, and then the heroes are always facing right, is what I have it set to. It's kind of neat seeing, like, I'll have to fix all these scales so that... Should I do that now? Scale everything correctly? Maybe I will. Okay, let's scale everything correctly. So this thing is going to be 1. I hate that that's putting stuff up there. Okay, that's scaled to 1. If we open it, the cat, I believe, is supposed to be scaled to 1.5. That's good. Go to the next dude. Open him up. Base scale should be 1. I don't want to have to change things. Necromancer inside should be scaled to 1.5. Good. Skeleton. No, I didn't open the skeleton. Skeleton. Base scale is 1. Correct. This should be 1.5, I think. That's what I did. Go back here. What did I do for him? Base scale 1.5. Cool. Bat doesn't need to be changed. Slime doesn't need to. These guys don't need to be changed. The wyvern's probably one needs to be changed. Yeah, it's too fat. Why is it so big? 1.5, I think. Let's pull it in and check. Where are you? What the F? Where's my wyvern? Focus. Oh, it's up here. It's just higher up. Okay. Is it because this has to be shifted? No, that looks pretty pointy. Let's find a pixel to match it. Yeah, let's touch it in his hair. Yeah, that's That's good. Yep, that's square. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so I do want to pull other people real quick into this. I want to kind of pull everyone, maybe do like a photo shoot of some kind. So we'll bring in the bat, bring in the slime. So these are, and I'll just grab all my enemies. So we'll put you over here. Maybe some sort of descending scale. I don't know. Necromancer, you get to the very end here. Boop. Just so we have a good, like, oh, I like that. He's already behind him. But I have to make sure I set all of them to the same same layer. Right now it doesn't matter, but like later I'll have to make sure they're all the same layer. Slime, go there. Wyvern, you can come and hang out up here. Actually, no, you should be like over here because you're more of a neutral monster. You're not a bat. Bat can come over here, hang out with the homies. Skeleton, whichever. Yep, skeleton. You can go here, sure. Right there, my little dwarf skeleton. Okay, and then we got to grab all the heroes. So we got him. Let's just open her. Yeah, they all got scaled weird. Whatever, I'll test her and then I'll adjust her. So, Brute's ginormous. His internal scale should not be that. This should be 1. And I bet you this is like, yeah, there it is, a 10. 1.5, I think is correct. Do your toes touch? Can you touch toes? Yep. See, I have dwarves and hobbits. That's just what it is. So I got you, frontliner. So what did I set? 1.5 and 1. Let's hard code that one into the original. This is going to be 1 tab 1, and then this is 1.5. Cool. This is supposed to be 1.5. I hate that adjusted. I know Z doesn't matter for stuff, but at least this is now set. Her, she's ginormous because she's probably scaled up as well. She's at 1 on base, which is perfect. Here should not be that. This, I guess this should be over 8, and then we can do this to be 1.5. Yep. Okay. Right, that should bring me to, she's bigger though, which is fine. She's like an Amazon. There we go. Yeah, she's like a full head taller, but fine. I don't mind. She's an Amazon. I can have everyone of different sizes, races, and colors, so I will give a reason for everything. And then the archer, base is fine. Adjustment is way too big. Let's go 1.5. Which is looking pretty spot on for him. Your toes touch, touch toes. Perfect. Backline archer. Hoo-yah! I'm an archer. We got Samurai Jackie. Oopsies, I actually have to adjust these ones. So this one is good, I believe. Yeah, 1.5. She's there, and this has to go to 1.5. Whatever this. I know Z doesn't matter, but I should keep them all the same. Wizard, did we adjust? Yeah, he needs to be adjusted. 1.5. 1.5. That's fine there. You. Again, I didn't adjust any of these prefabs, which I should. 1.5. I should probably just adjust them before pulling them and then make the secondary adjustments based on what I see. I think that's probably the best way to do it, now that I'm actually having to go back and forth. Because Because if they're all already adjusted to one thing, then and the base is all set to the same base scale, I can do stuff better that way. 1.5 and 1.5 and 1.5. Ooh, he looks really small there. Can I focus? No, whatever's fine. The ninja. Yeah, see, they were all scaled up by 10. Up to 10. I think that has to do with level stuff, probably. Why I had them all scaled that way. So this will probably break a lot of my UI related stuff, but I'd rather break it and have, ooh, I can see why this guy might be a problem. I think he has a very large cell that he works in. Yeah, he becomes rinky-dink because of his base thing. And I probably have to create new anchor points for stuff. Number 8, you're good here. Yeah, you're jacked up to 10. Bingo, bango, chocolate milk. Got to do that. And then we don't need to worry about that last one, I don't think, because it's just a placeholder. Okay. So, samurai. The Ronano. What is your scaling? Ooh, you need to actually be, you're just slightly different. Oh no. You're just big. Cool. I'm down with it. DTF. Down for a fight. Wizard. Back you up. Ronin. I guess I could just actually put our Huntress back a bit. So I almost have like a little bit of a height scaling. Okay, Ninja. Oh, look, you fit kind of in between. But your scale looks correct. Yeah, you just fit in between, so you can actually go here. And our archer can move back. We got this dude. Oh, where's this guy? Oh, he's way up here. Why are you so off kilter? Oh, it's probably because where your anchor point is. I'll have to fix that. Now the thing is, are you correct scaled? So let's do with your one little hair. Oh yeah, you're correct scaled. So you're like her size almost. Yeah, you're like in between people's sizes. Kind of like this diversity, actually. Not everyone being the same size. It's like it's like closer to realism. Why not grab you? Back up. Back up. But I do have to adjust. I have to probably lock anchor points. That's probably why I was playing with scaling. As if you look, his anchor's in the middle, right? His anchor's in the middle. His anchor's way up here, but that's because his frame is like huge. Her anchor's in the middle. Anchor's down low, which doesn't make any sense. So his square is probably large too. His square is probably large. Yeah, so like a lot of them have extra bleed at the bottom. Yeah, and I guess you're the last person. And you are, sir, 2 pixels. So you're like kinda in here somewhere. Cool. I guess you can just scooch back a tiny bit more. Scooch you here. Now I realize I do have a fair bit of hero characters and not really as many bad guy characters that I've made for. Oh wait, I'm missing the cat. The cat. Meow 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 meow. Yeah, I'm missing the cat. Kitty cat. Meow meow. Meow mix, please deliver. Cat's on point with things. It's pixels. but yeah, it's still good. You know what I just realized I could do? I could do that. We could have done that. Making the slimes like translucent. Like, because doesn't what's it called have oh, but it's interesting how that works. A slight translucent, it'd have to be so slight, but then it's like the skull needs to be solid. No, that would be for ghosts or something. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Because like the skull would be the one part that can't be see-through. But I mean, hey, you know what? This is not a bad. And the highlight, yeah. This is not a bad, like, little roster. Can I grab all these guys? I can only grab one at a time? Oh, okay. Now the question is, if I run play, will they all animate? Let's do it! Let's see if everyone's making the jiggle jiggle, wiggle wiggle. Look at that! Oh, I have a clipping here because they're on the same layer. But look at this, everyone's got a little idle. I should have a thing where I can just like press a button and have all of them attack at once. But I think he's got the most ridiculous attack. Hammer? Animations? If I click his, will his attack be ridiculous? No, this is the wrong person. Hammer. Here? Yeah, he's got like some ridiculous attack stuff. Hammer attack! Ugh. Ugh. He's got like a bunch of frames. Spinning attack! Isn't that cool? Taunt! Ah! Uh-oh. Pre-roll ads are on. Run a break ad to disable pre-roll ads. Oh, I guess I have to do a thing. Death. I can just kill everybody! Cat skeleton, you will die! Ooh, his death was quick. Fire dude, do you have a death animation? He's dead too. People are just dropping like flies. What's going on? Why is everyone dying? Blah. Oh yeah, by the way, the ninja's a robot, if you didn't realize that. Samurai! Oh. There we go, we found an error. That shouldn't happen. It should be... Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. We have a problem here. Death, inspect, this. Yeah, it's not going to work, but I have to remember to take off his loop. His death loop is happening, that's why. So, we'll go back to his animator, and we'll just make him do an attack. Can I do an attack? I can't come out of it. It's broken now. Just regular brute. Can we do a death? Oh! Weird. I must have picked wrong frames, because he's, like, glitched. Okay, so I should know that the brute's also glitched for stuff. Archer. Death? Ooh, he's dead too. Slime. Cool, there's a puddle. Huntress. Oh, she has a surrender one that I made. Just pile on the bodies. Let the bodies hit the floor. I realized the skeleton should just be a little bit more like here's where he should have been. Necromancer. Dead. Oh, his death animation's way too fast. I have to adjust that. Can he... His summon animation? I can't do it when he's dead. Wyvern? Oh yeah, the Wyvern death animation is my own. I made that myself. So that's why it looks crummy. It's not very good. Whoa, this guy's got a lot of stuff. He's got a super complicated... Oh, because he's the one that has to have all the cool stuff. Double slash. Critical strike! Regular strike. And then he's got hurricane, full Monty attack, block, and then his death. And he can revive! He's back! I can revive him because he's got the most complicated thing. Because he was used for the trailer stuff. Slime Brute. Blech. The Wizard, though. Oh, the Wizard's got a pretty cool one, though. Gets sucked into his book. And then he becomes an item. One of the few characters that returns into an item when they die. Skeleton plops. And that's it. Everyone is dead. Except for I gotta fix the samurai. It's interesting. I haven't actually gone and done this stuff, so this is actually a really neat little thing. This. Inspect. No. This. Inspect. This has to be 0. He just dies. But here, inspect. What's going on? Idle, death. It's not looping. Okay, let's run it again and see if I can get him to work. Gotta get that Ronin. Samurai, living that life. He's gonna die. Oh, okay, he just like goes down. He doesn't have a very epic death. He just kind of like dies in place. Everyone else kind of like plops to the floor. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I actually have a lot of stuff there. That's neat, and a lot of the animation's already done. So that's nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, cool. That's good. That's a bunch of little random tedious stuff that's just cleaned up for now. It will affect everything else in the game because everything else is scaled on that weird 10 ratio that I had before, but it's not a big deal. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to run... I don't even care to run an ad. Fuck it. I'm not going to run an ad. I mean, duck it. Duck. I had a time where I dropped an F-bomb, and my daughter asked me, my littlest daughter asked me, "What did you just say?" And I said, "Duck! I saw a duck outside." Because we were driving, and someone, I think, cut me off or something, and I yelled. But yeah, well, I think that's it. Going to go to lunch. Adjusted scaling on everything, which will break a bunch of other stuff. We will just save whatever we were playing with in here. We'll run it, and you'll see. I'm going to pick this dude. I'm going to go into combat. This dude should appear. No, he didn't appear. Crud! Okay, this is just other stuff for the ladder that's breaking that I have to fix. Duckers, C, yeah. I know. I gotta. Driving's the worst. Driving is where I have a habit of dropping not good words. But you know what? Time to Shadow Legends. It's Shadow Legends time. Team. I mean, really, there's only me and you, mister. But 2 is better than 1. Ooh, this is the person doing streaming game. No, that's, ooh, what's this? Open alpha, try out the game. Creating save files. But you don't say what you're using, so I don't know. I like to stick in my, Unity realm of stuff. A lot of Godots. A lot of Godots. Lot of Godots. Blender, indie game, English developer, Unreal. I guess I should just put a filter. Unity. Or tag? I should do tag. Unit. Unit T. Unity. Yeah, I guess Unity Engine. I don't know. I feel like if I just put Unity, it's like a fine tag. A good enough tag to go with. Oh, I feel like I've done this. I've gone after that guy before because he's got a fancy like thing here. Actually, I think I follow him. That's French. What's this? What are you making here? Digital art, design stuff, and world building. Star Gunners. Unity to publish a game in 20 days. Day 1. That sounds hard, but I like it. X industry turned indie. Ooh, that sounds kind of neat. What are you working on? X industry turned indie. What are you working on? Let's go. Hello. I would like to talk to you. Oh, they're very into their tablet. They're tableting hard. Cozy dev. Something cozy LD.
Might be no, this maybe looks a little bit too much like clay.
Oh, and he's British.
Ooh, is that Dark Abel or Abel? Hello, welcome to the channel. Or is that a T? I can't quite see. I'm in like weird dark mode. I think that's an L. Abeli. Okay, Abeli. That makes way more sense. Welcome to the chat.
What's your vertical slice about? What's your vertical slice? Let's just do that. What is? I should put is. Preface that. Let's see if he gets me. I know you're like super hardcore into your making a cupboard, but I want to know about your game. Come on, tell me now.
How are you doing today? What is your vertical slice? That is an interesting question.
Dev to...
I'm making a twin-stick shooter roguelite in the veins of Enter the Gungeon, Nuclear Throne, Binding of Isaac.
Nice.
You are a princess trapped in a castle in like a perpetual time loop, basically.
So no, so.
That's not really what a vertical slice is, but that's the like basic synapses.
So no, your
Aaron TTD,
princess is.
Welcome back to the chat.
Another.
RPG, Game Boy, Color, World coming on. So, no, your princess is in another castle. Bang on the money. Bang on the money, Abilene. My game is literally called Another Castle.
Oh, wow. It's a great name. Well, here...
You are the princess.
Here is a
you are tired
little...
of waiting around being a damsel in distress. So you take things into your own hands, you enter the castle.
I like that.
You find guns, and you just start letting loose on anything that's in there.
Does she have a name already? And let's... And then I should end my stream because I'm still streaming.
Rating with a party of 2, thank you so much.
There was more before. There was more before. There was more before.
Thought you'd give me some extra views. Ouched. Thank you very much for the fire. There was more before. Right? It's alright, it's all good.
But yeah, no, just trying to support.
I'm just gonna undo all this because this is.
I should end my video. So I'm gonna talk to this guy a little bit and have some lunch. So let's drop the stream.